Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reading, Filling the Blanks, Real Exam Question Series. This is 64th video in this series. It means that we have covered 63 real exam questions to students को real exam में PTE exam में आई भी हैं. Along with that, we have discussed the tips and the strategies how to solve them. Okay, so let's get started. And now PTE is accepted in the UK, so if you want to study, work or settle in the UK, you can do it through PTE. And 90% of universities in Canada now accept PTE academic. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE. Now the question students ask, sir, can we also achieve our target score? We have given paper 3-4 times, score nahi aaya. All I can say is this, yes, you will be able to achieve if you follow our strategy, right? Follow Marvel PTE strategies, tips and tricks. You will be able to score. And that's why do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. Coming to PTE Reading, it's of 32 to 41 minutes and it is not scored out of 90, it is scored out of 47 marks. And it has 5 question types and reading filling the blanks is the second last question in this order. You have to manage your time yourself. Now coming to the scoring first, they are very important. How much they are important? 15 marks. So 15 out of 90 come from your reading filling the blanks. So it means that if you are getting 5 reading filling the blanks, they will be of 3 marks each. So this is the reason you have to pay attention. You cannot lose focus for reading filling the blanks. How much time you have to solve them? Maximum of 2 to 2.5 minutes on each. So if you are getting 5 questions, approximately you can spend, let's say 10 to 12 minutes, not more than that. Okay. अब इसमें can we read all the words? Can we understand their meanings? The answer is big no. Can we do the skimming? Yes, we can do, and this is the right method also. आपको वहाँ पे मतलब नहीं समझना होता. You have to work as per the strategies which we are teaching, and you will be able to score. And this is today's blank, and as usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to go through this, and after that we are going to discuss it. Okay, so you know that the first thing we do is skimming. We skim for gist, we skim for tone as well as tense. Gist gives us an overall central idea किस बारे में है, and then tone, positive tone है, negative tone है, neutral tone है और academic tone है. Tenses also play a role. Past tense है, present tense है, future tense है. So let's get started with the skimming first. Joseph Engelberger, a pioneer in industrial robotics, once remarked, I can't dash a robot, but I know one when I see one. If you consider all the different machines people dash robots, you can see that it's nearly impossible to come up with a dash definition. Everybody has a different dash of what constitutes a robot. Okay. अब इस RFIB में we are talking about the robot, right? उसकी definition. Now the next thing we do is parts of speech classification. This is also very important. And parts of speech classification में we classify our options as per noun, verb, adjective. So let's get started. So crime क्या है? Crime is your noun. Define, किसी चीज को define करना. It's a verb. Idea, noun. Call, verb. Stay, verb. Comprehensive, adjective, like comprehensive definition, comprehensive answer, comprehensive solution, something like this. Read, किसी चीज को read करना, verb. Lead, किसी चीज को lead करना. So we have a mix of nouns, verbs and adjectives. Now coming to the first blank, I can't dash a robot. Ab can't hai, so you know can is a model, मॉडल के बाद आपकी मेन वर्ब आती है और हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म में आती है. सो दिस इज अ ग्रामर रूल विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट विच वी टीच टू आवर स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो. So now you know that आपको यहाँ पे क्या fill करना है. The answer is going to be you have to do the verb. Okay. So what we can do is this. We can eliminate all other things which are not verbs. Like we have eliminated. और verb की कौन सी form आएगी? First, right? So we are left with define, stay, read or lead. I can't define a robot. Okay, यहाँ पे एक बात हो रही है definition की, right? कि मैं robot को define नहीं कर सकता. See what we have done. पहले process of elimination से हमने जो wrong option से eliminate किए, then we can fit one by one and see अगर कुछ contextual sense बनाता है. So in this scenario, it cannot be like I can't define. So the answer is going to be I can't define a robot. Okay. Now let's see. Different machines, people dash robots, people dash robots. Now you can do one by filling. People crime robots, people idea robots, people call robots. Yes, sense बनती है. People stay, people comprehensive robots, people read, people lead. नहीं, कुछ भी sense नहीं बनेगी. People call robots. Call क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप बात कर रहे हो C की, right? But जब आप different machines को लोग robots कहते हैं, तो you can see it's nearly impossible to come up with a next blank. डेफिनेशन. अब डेफिनेशन क्या है? नाउन है, ग्रामर है. जितने भी मेंट्स हैं, शंस हैं, क्या होते हैं हमारे? नाउन. नाउन से पहले क्या आता है? एडजेक्टिव. हाउ मेनी एडजेक्टिव्स वी हैव? वी जस्ट हैव वन एडजेक्टिव विच इज कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव. समझ आए ना आए, वैसे भी एक कॉलोकेशन है. आई हैड टोल्ड यू दिस अर्लियर. कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव डेफिनेशन. सो वी आर गोइंग टू पुट कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव ओवर हियर, राइट? तो अगर आपको सही रीडिंग की स्ट्रैटेजीज, ग्रामर स्ट्रैटेजीज पता है, रीडिंग ब्लैंक्स can be a piece of cake. Everybody has a different dash of what constitutes a robot. Different क्या? हर एक का अपना different क्या होगा? Crime होगा? नहीं होगा. Idea? Yes. Stay? नहीं. Lead? नहीं. Read? नहीं. Everybody has a different idea. अब पता भी कैसे चलेगा? Because different का है आपका adjective है, right? और adjective के बाद क्या आते हैं? Nouns आते हैं. How many nouns we had? These two, crime and idea. Crime वैसे सेंस नहीं बनाता. Process of elimination से आपने verbs eliminate कर दिए. So the answer is going to be different idea of what constitutes a robot. So I hope this is clear. Let's check if all the answers are correct. Yes, as you can see, all the answers are correct. So now what is our reading strategy? Our reading strategy is based on context, lexical resource and grammar. In context, we go for skimming, forward reading, backward reading and tone analysis. For lexical resource, collocations, phrasal verbs and vocabulary. These are very important. And grammar, we provide a complete grammar course for our students which includes parts of speech, subject-verb agreement, prepositions, modals, articles, determiners, signposting words, tenses, irregular verbs or plurals, British English rules, and sentences. This is a complete package and which is very important. You have seen the importance of parts of speech today. So if you are applying the grammar strategies, grammar hacks, you will be able to solve reading filling the blanks correctly. But remember, you have 2 or 2.5 minutes only to solve one reading blank. अब उन 2 minutes को भी आपने सही ढंग से manage करना होता है. So in the first 30 to 60 seconds, you are going to skim the content, do parts of speech classification the way we have done, and then in next 90 to 120 seconds, process of elimination and grammar strategies and hacks के through आप reading blanks solve कर सकते हैं. Okay. Now all the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker below. So many students have achieved their target score. So if these guys can achieve, you can also achieve. Some of our success stories where students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82, 81. So if these guys can score, you can also score. This is our WhatsApp number 8699121121. If you have any questions, any doubts, or if you want to take online coaching or in-institute coaching, you can contact us. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to you.